Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. I love Chinese recipes, and I used to love takeout, but then you gotta go in, you gotta order, you gotta wait, drive home. By the time you get home, everything's cold. So I thought, why not make this stuff at home? So I made some homemade chicken balls, absolutely fantastic. So let me walk you through this, and you're gonna love it. I'm going to start here by cubing the chicken up. And you want this in fairly large chunks, something like this. So I'm just going to go ahead and add my chicken to a bowl. Season it up with some salt and pepper. And you can do this according to your liking. Give it a mix up. Add in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and this is about, I'd say, 15 grams. Try and do these conversions. And just kind of stir here until it's completely coated. Next up, we're going to make our sweet and sour sauce by combining half a cup of water, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. You can just use the soy sauce of your choice. And I'll do the gram thing in the captions below. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. 2 tablespoons of vinegar. A tablespoon of cornstarch. And this just kind of thickens things up. And last but not least, a 1/4 cup of ketchup. Alright, now a whisking we will go. Alright, what I've got here is a cup of self-rising flour, and if you don't have self-rising flour, you can use just all-purpose flour with a couple of teaspoons of baking powder. To make it fluffier, we're going to add in a teaspoon of baking powder. Give it a mix. Then you're going to slowly add in some really cold water, and I can't stress enough, you want this really cold. You could even add a bit of ice to it. Just little bit by little bit. Until you get a smooth consistency, something like this. And this is about a cup of, again, really cold water. Alrighty, let's cook up the chickens. What I've got here is some oil. This is about 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 C. And I'm using a wok, but you can use whatever you like. I'm just going to use my skewer here. You can use a toothpick or whatever you have. And just kind of pick up the chicken. Into the batter we go. Making sure it's completely coated. Then into the hot oil. We're going to fry these until they're golden brown. And of course, you're going to do these in batches. I'm just going to kind of move these around. And of course, you're going to flip them over and rotate them every now and then. After about 5 minutes, we're just going to go ahead and set these aside. And don't these look gorgeous, guys? Okay, now we're going to heat up our sauce. I'm just going to pour it into my wok here. Bring it to a boil, and I'm just going to stir this until it thickens up. Something like this. This looks incredible. Pour some of our delicious sauce over top of the chicken balls. And this is And there you have it, our simply scrumptious, delicious chicken balls. Okay, let's give these a taste test. Just love it, guys. Chicken is tender. The sauce, you've got that delicious sense of sweet and sour. And do another dip here. Just incredible. Who needs takeout? So for the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great stuff over there. Check it out. Thanks for subscribing. Give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.